This is the most bizarre phone I've ever repaired. What's going on exactly? Let's take a look together. This is a Samsung W22. It's been booting up for 49 days, still can't enter the system. The small screen's LCD is already damaged. The phone has been on for a long time, but still can't enter the system. The small screen always displays the logo. Unfolding the large screen shows a back icon. Next, we'll start disassembling the phone. Let's see whether it's a motherboard issue, an external component issue, or a system issue. The previous repairman is obviously an experienced hand. The antenna was pressed under the flat cover. Remove the screws. Take off the flat cover. First, let's take out the motherboard to have a look. There are no signs of any repairs. Next, we'll install the motherboard into another W22 phone. Connect the ribbon cables. Power on to test. Some people quietly watch the video, but will quietly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Such people are really adorable. Waited another 49 days, still can't enter the system. Could it really be a motherboard issue? Looks like I have to use my long-lost special trick again. We continue by installing the motherboard back into the original middle frame. Secure the ribbon cables. Start powering on. Loudly recite Avada Kedavra to the phone. Okay, the phone magically entered the system. Isn't that magical? We'll continue to test all the functions on the phone. Wi-Fi is fine. Bluetooth is fine. Let's test the sound. What's going on? The speaker actually has no sound. After careful thought, I finally found the solution. Just turn up the volume. Let's continue to test the camera. Okay, both front and rear cameras are working fine. All functions are normal. Next, we'll start the repair. First, remove the small screen that is leaking liquid. Remove the screws. Remove all the flat covers. Disconnect the battery. Unplug the ribbon cables. Take out the subboard. Continue to remove the tail plug small board. Remove the motherboard. Next, we'll remove the two batteries on the left and right. Place the large screen on the heating platform to heat. Continue to remove the plastic brackets around the screen. Use a plastic sheet to pry open the double-sided tape under the screen along the gap between the large screen and the middle frame. Remove the large screen. We peel off the protective sticker on the hinge. Remove all screws on the hinge. Remove the protective cover on the hinge's ribbon cable. Let's see. The plastic debris has already come out. This thing has probably damaged many screens. Once the plastic hinge wears out, opening and closing repeatedly can cause the screen to leak at any time. Next, we remove the hinge. Which hinge is strong? Trash and dust hide inside. Then use our ancestral toothbrush to clean all the dust from the hinge. Okay, take out the full set of W24 modified casing. Install the hinge. Tighten the screws. Then test the hinge. Very smooth, very straight. Install the hinge ribbon cable. Install the flat cover. Tighten the screws. Reattach the stickers. Install the magnets. Handle all the details. Install the volume keys. Install the fingerprint key. Tighten the screws. Then we apply the original double-sided tape to the large screen. We reinstall the large screen. There's also a noticeable crease in the middle of the large screen. After my suggestions, the customer decided to let us fix the crease on the large screen. We cut open a small opening. While applying alcohol, we peel off the outer screen cover. Pour alcohol generously to get it soaked. While it's not paying attention, peel off the outer layer. This is the outer screen cover of the foldable screen. Next, we begin our skin grafting surgery. Take out a new cover, align from the edge, and start attaching. Done in one step. Attachment complete. There's still a bit of air bubbles after attaching. We'll put it into a bubble remover to eliminate the bubbles. Bubble removal complete. Let's take it out and have a look. Just one word, perfect. Install new brackets around the edges. The customer's earpiece has noise. We'll give the customer a new earpiece for free. Install the vibrator and heat dissipation stickers. Handle all the details. Install the motherboard. Install the tail plug small board. Install the subboard. Install the batteries. Secure the ribbon cables. Install all flat covers. Tighten all the screws. Finally, we install the small screen and back cover. Power on and test all functions. Let's show it off. Okay, we'll end today's video here. Give us a follow. See you next time.